guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make scrambled eggs. So let's get started. What you want to do first is you want to have a bowl. Let's go over the supplies you want. You want to have a fork or a whisk, whatever you prefer for mixing things. Then you want to have a bowl. It doesn't matter what kind of bowl, just as long as it's big enough to hold the eggs you have. And you want to have a non-stick pan. So this is what it looks like, and that keeps the eggs or whatever you're cooking from sticking on it. You want to have, what I'm using today is 4 eggs. I've already mixed them into the bowl. And you want to have butter, eggs, and you also want to have a spatula. So let's get started then. What you want to do is take, like I said, I already have 3 eggs in the bowl. And I'm just going to crack the egg on the countertop, right about in the middle, and you want to take your thumbs and just put them in the crack and crack it over the bowl. You don't want to crack it over the table for obvious reasons, because then you'd have to wipe it into the bowl, and you don't want that. After that, you're just gonna mix it around. Like I said, you can use a fork or a whisk, whichever you prefer. I prefer the fork. And you're just gonna mix it around until you can't, like, it's kind of blended in. So this is what it would kind of look like. It's kind of blended in, so that the colors are the same. You don't want to see chunks of egg yolk in. After you have that, you're gonna take about a tablespoon of butter and put it on your pan. But first, you want to turn on your stove top to about medium high, or if your stove has numbers, it's 7. So I'm gonna take a tablespoon of butter and just put it in the pan. And I want to just melt it around the pan. I want to get all the butter melted around the bottom of the pan so that the eggs don't stick as much. I know that I said this is a stick pan, but it's still will stick. A non-stick pan, I'm sorry. It would be kind of weird if it was a stick pan. So once you have your butter all melted, you want to have, you don't want to leave, by the way, you don't want to leave your pan on the stovetop too long, because then it will, the butter will burn on, and you don't want that. So now I'm gonna pour my eggs into the bowl. Pour my eggs into the pan. I already have them in the bowl. I'm gonna, sorry. And then I'm just gonna move them back and forth. So I'm just gonna move them back and forth like this, so that it gets across the pan, and they're gonna get scrambled like that. And so this is gonna take a minute. Sorry, I'll just talk while I'm doing that. It might be kind of boring, but yeah. So while you're doing that, you just want to move it back and forth, maybe from side to side, until they're kind of solid. And you might want to flip them over some, so that the one side doesn't get burned too much. And if there's some eggs hanging out on the side, you just want to pull them into the group. You don't want them to be lonely. That would be sad. So once you have that, you could, like I said, you don't want to leave this on too long, because it could get burnt. Like the eggs could get stuck on there or burnt on there, and you just want them to do it until they're solid. Like I said, this is gonna take a minute or two. And let's see, what else can I talk about? What? So I by the way, I got a new dog, and he is so cute. His name is Cedric Diggory, and he's a hound mix, and he's such a cute little puppy. You guys will love him. So my eggs are about ready. This is what they're gonna look like, and you just want to turn off your stove and take your plate and move probably want to let this cool down first. And once you have that, your eggs are done, and you just want to put them on the plate, and they're ready to serve. Like in my last video, I'm gonna try these out, and hopefully they're good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you out. Maybe you can make great eggs like me. Maybe. I don't know how great I make these eggs. These are good. Maybe you can come over to my house and try them. No, I'm just kidding. But once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day or night. Bye.